Hardcore Pawn Season 8 Best Moments.
What can we do for you today?
Get a massage chair. I seen it on the internet for 20.
Yeah, but then you got to pay for shipping.
Seen it on the internet for 20. I give you 20.
Not really to use that badly.
20. You are getting a little too loud. You can bring it down a tone.
This next customer entered the pawn shop looking to purchase a massage chair. Things went south when the customer acted like a Karen.
You can give me this chair for 20.
I wish I could.
I don't want to hear no damn story. Or we gonna have a fit up in here. I will break you down. I will break him down.
Miss, please, let me carry that for you.
Did you put your hands on me?
The customer demanded Les to give her the chair for dirt cheap. The customer then threatened the security.
I will karate chop your ass.
Give me $60 you can have.
Give me.
Yeah.
You didn't put your hands on me. You ain't know me. Oh, did you just throw my mother? I know mother. You.
Have a nice day.
I have no idea what this customer was on, and she acted like a cartoon character. Things got crazy when the woman took off her wig. Machine.
How you doing? Here to sell my quarterback pass attack arcade. Moving to Florida to be with my fiance.
Everybody loves football. And if you have a man cave, it's a perfect addition.
That was close.
The following customers were looking to get money for their quarterback arcade machine, which was definitely pretty cool.
Dang it. We'll get it eventually. I got one.
All right, so how much you guys want?
$200, something like that. How you feel about $150? Do you like 60? No, it's like miniature version.
Bobby J and Seth were definitely having fun with this machine, and you can tell that Bobby J was interested in the item.
You know, it's cool. $30. Might as well. Just gonna send my storage in it. $30. Appreciate it, guys.
Go, there you go. Turn around, keep going.
Sweet.
Eventually, the two were able to make a deal for the machine, which was nice to see. The beef.
How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
A ring I want you to take a look at for
Okay.
me.
Do you know what it is?
These are diamonds.
That's cubic zirconium and silver.
I know where I bought it.
Look at the inside of the ring.
My eyes aren't that great. What are you saying it's worth? I know what this is.
The following customer entered the pawn shop looking to get money for a ring she had, but sadly it wasn't worth too much money.
I know it has value. I'm really, really upset right now. No, I'm not leaving until you come to your senses, old man.
Get in your car and leave.
You know what? I've worked for an attorney. I know my rights. Don't touch me.
It was evident that the customer didn't know what she was talking about, and it clearly isn't worth anything.
You're an idiot! What a gentleman you are! You don't anybody come here!
Woman, what?
Get me out of here! Get away!
I thought you were smiling when she was doing that.
The customer really started to beef with the security, which was probably the worst thing she could have done in this situation. Old toys.
Well, I wanted to see what you were doing over here.
Hi, Beanie Babies.
Yes, it's in really good shape.
What do you know about Beanie Babies? I have an extensive collection of Beanie Babies. I'm missing something. I'm sorry, is there an echo in here?
Two customers entered the pawn shop looking to get money for some old toys they had. Ashley started to be extremely passive-aggressive to Karen.
The most important thing was these little tiny hearts. Yeah, I told you to stay over there.
Wait, hang on.
If you were
Maybe they did have the tag protectors.
you don't take them off.
$7,000 or $8,000.
The two just kept on talking over each other, and this gave the shop an extremely unprofessional look as tensions grew.
And it was in way worse condition than what I had. Well, I found out that ours was considered rare because it had spelling error, surface instead of surface.
Okay, $4,500. These Beanie Babies aren't even worth $5 a piece.
Very nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye, ladies.
The customer was looking to get an absurd amount of money for the toys, but the customers insisted they had a one-of-a-kind toy. Sadly, no deal was made for the item.
You know, you really do know a lot about Beanie Babies. Something you want to talk about it?
Just so.
Ashley was clearly jealous of Karen, and this would soon be a problem.
We're going to take all the gold out of here.
Okay.
And as you see, the customers not buying the gold,
So you want me to wipe all this out too?
all of it. This is the area that I want Karen to run. So she needs to borrow any of your people, don't hesitate.
What?
Things clearly weren't going to get any better, and Les continued to compliment Karen for her excellent performance on the showroom floor.
Why don't you help her right now?
I'm good.
Give her a hand when she needs your help. Take these charms out of here. Put your attitude in check, okay?
Great.
Les essentially gave Karen authority over Ashley, which didn't sit well with Ashley. The purse.
Hi.
I want my money back. This purse is fake. Give me my money back. You sold me a fake.
Ma'am, I'm trying not to really
You
lose
took my
control.
money.
Baloney.
It was you. May I please have my money?
The following customer entered the pawn shop looking to get a refund for a purse she claims she purchased from the shop.
So when did you buy it?
A week ago.
There will be.
Don't put your hands on me.
No smoking here.
Ma'am,
Get your hands off me. I'm not.
Put your cigarette out. Put it out.
now here's the deal.
Ain't no
I'm
deal.
trying to be professional.
Les knew the customer wasn't being serious, and it was evident she was trying to get one over the pawn shop. She was just annoying.
Give me my money. That's all I want is my money.
See you in court. Goodbye.
Get your hands off me.
Well,
I
go
got
ahead.
a son
I've been
big
hit
enough
by
to
much
beat your
harder. Go
ass.
ahead. Well, it does not remind me of my grandmother.
Les did everything possible to work with the customer, but she refused to listen to anything. The guitar.
Something I want to show you. This is the 1930s.
This was one of those deals that I wanted Karen involved with.
Well, I bought it from a lady some time back.
Give it all you got.
The following customer entered the pawn shop looking to get money for an electric guitar he had, and Les was very excited.
The mortgage is due again. This is the first of the...
Ain't that a bit?
I want $2,000 for it.
Why? So how much do they sell for?
They sell anywhere from a couple thousand.
You won't take less than $1,000 profit.
The customer was a natural, and his musical skills impressed the staff. The customer was looking to get money to pay off his mortgage.
$950. You wouldn't take it? Give me a second. Let's see what it is. After
right.
you, young lady. I don't have a long time to hold out on an item. We need to buy it. It's going to be under $500.
Yeah, I can't do it.
$375.
No, I'm sorry. Thanks anyway.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I need 7 at least.
Doesn't pay to invest in something you're going to lose in.
Right.
Les did some research on the item and wanted to take this deal as an opportunity to teach Karen how to properly negotiate. Sadly, the customer wouldn't budge and no deal was made for this item. The ring.
Hi.
Today is a good day.
Good.
I'm gonna make it real special, everything.
How you doing it?
I'm gonna blow her mind. Baby!
Oh, that's good. That's great.
The following customer entered the pawn shop looking to purchase a ring for his girlfriend, and at first things were going well.
Let me get that one, though. I like that one.
This one.
Yeah.
The heart.
I'll take it. Appreciate you. Yes, ma'am. Oh, hell no. Day is too perfect.
I know.
Things started to go downhill once the customer was attempting to use store credit for the ring, but sadly, it wasn't valid.
I'm so sorry. I can't give you your credit.
Give me my doggone ring. I'm walking out here with that ring. Man, what is he doing walking up on me, bro? Look, I'm telling you about to be snagging.
Here.
Snag don't play no game to
Back
get
it
this right. No, hey, step faster, dog. I'm telling you, we get made today. I'm gonna show you what it's about. I'll put you up.
The customer took things too far when he started to demand things from Ashley, and it was only a matter of time before the security showed up. This customer just did the most nasty things imaginable.
I'll put you in the hole, dog. Yo, I'm up out of here. Man.
Work here every day, don't know the time.
The customer just looked extremely goofy. Electric car.
Oh, wow.
There were 50 of them built by the company just before they went out of business.
There's some wear on it. Like, how would you even find replacement parts?
Because it's the only one I've ever been able to find, I'd like to get at least 50,000.
The following customer entered the pawn shop with a 1981 Bradley GD Type 2 electric car. The car was honestly amazing.
Let me do a little bit of research, see what I can come up with. This is the Motor City. It's going to pique my curiosity. Problem is, it's such a specialty item. The one that I saw selling was under 10K, $5 grand.
Yeah,
The customer was looking to get at least $50,000, which was just an insane amount of money. And that's when Seth did some research.
I just can't do that.
Yeah, no, it's a cool car.
People aren't paying a lot of money for it.
Seth knew the item wasn't worth much since there just wasn't enough demand for it. Bear wrestling.
I'm Les.
Les, call me Bobby Bear. Yeah, I used to wrestle bears.
Really?
Yeah.
So what brought you here?
Lawnmower. It's only about a year old. Runs good, tires are good, brand new blade on it.
I believe that as much as I believe you're wrestling bears.
The following customer entered the pawn claiming that he was well known for wrestling bears. He wanted money for his lawnmower.
Well, apparently you don't know a hell of a lot about lawnmowers. Apparently you've never used a lawnmower in your life. You ain't got to be a jerk about it. I want $150 for my mower, just won't give it to me.
I wouldn't call.
It was evident the customer's item wasn't worth much, and Les straight up offered the customer $1 for the lawnmower.
Bobby Bear. I used to wrestle bear. I'm the bear. Yeah. Wrestle.
Have a good day.
Yeah, I ain't ever coming back here
Take care,
again
sir.
either.
The customer attempted to intimidate Byron, which we all knew would be a massive mistake. The tank.
It's a 1971 AM General, primarily in Vietnam to transport cargo, and this thing needs a little bit of love.
How much you want for this thing?
Asking $9,500.
Bobby J and Les walk outside the parking lot to be greeted by this massive tank. The tank was even used in Vietnam.
Asking $9,500. Can go over tow trucks, cannot go.
So what would you really take for this?
You know, I'm asking 95.
Start at $100. It doesn't make sense to me. I don't want it as a toy for me.
All right.
The customer was looking to get a substantial amount of money, but the car was beat up, and Les would need to spend money to repair it.
Too bad we couldn't make a deal.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. You want $1,000?
Can't do it, sir.
Be safe.
Thank you.
It would cost me a fortune.
Les tried to make a few more offers, but they couldn't agree on an amount. The watch.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a watch, maybe about $100. This would be good.
Okay.
This one.
This is really pretty. That one's 100.
100? I'll take it.
Okay.
Here.
The following customer entered the pawn shop looking to purchase a watch worth $100.
It's a $100 gift card.
$100 gift card. So these are VIP cards. That is not our gift card.
I'm not about to lose,
Hold on
all
one
right?
second. Let me explain this
I'm
to her.
not about to lose.
Do you see a swiper?
Look.
At first, things were going well until the customer attempted to use what she claims is a gift card to pay for the item.
Ugliest two sisters I've ever seen in my life.
There's not $100 on it. There's not.
Hey, walk up.
I need my money. Somebody want $100?
Thank you.
The customer insulted both Ashley and Karen, and it didn't take long for the security to throw her out of the pawn shop. Skeleton Band.
Oh, God. Got a little,
Metal skeleton with a latex over top, okay? Worked on it for a little while. After 2 years, it's just too big. My wife has a lot of, oh boy, here we go again moments. Sure.
The following customers entered the bone with a rock and roll band made out of skeleton. This was beyond cool, and Bobby J was impressed.
Okay, so what do you guys asking?
$1,400.
You paid. I would buy it for the right price, but $1,100.
I think across the board, you're asking too much.
You want $300?
No thanks.
The customers were looking to get $1,400 for the whole collection, but that clearly wasn't going to happen.
So are you budgeting off $1,000? Sorry, good luck. Thank you. It's a seasonal item for Halloween, and if we can't move it, it will be gathering dust.
Sadly, the customers weren't going to budge, and sadly, no deal was made for it. The prank.
Ashley to the office. Ashley, does it really make financial sense?
I totally think it does. No, I really want to talk to you about this. I'm telling Seth.
More display cases.
Right. Different pictures of the different display cases.
This time around, Seth and Karen came up with a plan to prank Ashley hard. They came up with some crazy random story.
Well, there's some binders.
We'll get last. How do we get that? Same thing?
Ashley totally fell for it, and this was one of the funniest moments ever featured on the show. They now had their sights on Les.
Dad, excuse me, please come here.
He's probably going to be like, what the hell are you three up to?
You think it's going to move product?
So I think we should add some more display case binders of like different pictures of display cases that I want you to take a look at. Can you just take a look at the binders that I have?
You think I was right, Karen?
The three eventually called up Les and did everything they could to play it cool. They started to go on a long yap session, and that's when Ashley started to giggle.
Let's pull out the binders. I love you.
But am I happy to see Ashley, Karen, and Seth getting along? Yes.
Les totally fell for it, and the entire room filled with laughter. Les was actually happy that his family were getting along. The receipt.
Hello. I need to pick up some stuff for my daughter. She called down here and said I could pick it up while I was down here. I want the stuff.
Without the ticket, we can't give it to you.
I bet you want to talk and give me my stuff. You were out here, I'd get my stuff.
One of the main rules of the store is that you need a receipt for everything. But this man thought the rules didn't apply to him.
How did you stealing people's stuff?
I'm not stealing anything. No ticky, no merchy.
She says I can pick it up. I'm not going to go all the way back to Mississippi. Look, alligator's bigger than him. I ain't scared of him. Hey, I ain't scared of him. Is he serious?
The only thing he got was Les right in his face. When that didn't shut him up, Brian came in. Instead of understanding he wasn't going to get his way here, he got even crazier.
Come on, man. Hey, man, you can't get... I want my stuff.
You can't get it, brother.
Get the hell out of the D.
Cheating low down place.
He was dragged out of the store for being a menace. He's going to have to get her ticket from Mississippi. Crazy woman.
My name is Siobhan.
Siobhan, hi, I'm Les.
My fiance brought them for me in California. I just want 300. Just 300.
This woman came in being what could only be described as the most polite person.
How long you been with this guy?
We've been together like 4 years.
Well, they're not real.
You hear that? Bing! That's the diamond sound. I don't wear no fake. Y'all got some sunglasses up in here? I know what this is. Why your big ass standing here?
One look at her earrings, and Les was able to tell her they were fakes. He wasn't able to do anything for her.
Bring that cash out.
I wish I could. He was waving goodbye because it's time to go.
Ain't nobody about to tell me. Haters.
Have a nice day.
Whatever.
Because of the scene she was creating, she was escorted out of the store. The keyboard.
Hello. How you doing, Freddie? Okay, how are you? I'm all right. I got a recording gig I could borrow for just an hour. Is your manager here? Can I talk to him?
Sure.
Whoever he is.
This guy had a keyboard in pawn, and he really needed it back for a gig. He didn't want to pay and take it back.
He has a keyboard in pawn. And he wants to borrow it.
I'm gonna leave you my ID if I could.
That ID ain't no good anyway.
That's my play. My Liberty.
I get it,
That's
but
my Liberty.
you see,
Can you come out so we can talk?
I can.
Les explained to him that he couldn't just borrow an item out of pawn, but the guy still wanted it as a favor.
Liberace.
I'm gonna give you. Could somebody get this big bear off of me? I'll bring 120 back.
I'm not interested, sir.
Can I just get the keyboard and I'll be out of here?
Sorry, you can't.
You know?
I'm sorry, sir. With money, I'll take your ring.
Whatever.
Bro, it's not for that.
That's how I'm gonna get the money.
You ain't gonna get the keyboard.
Even with Les out on the floor, the man wouldn't take no for an answer, and he still wouldn't budge about his ring. His next strategy was to start kicking the ATM and use annoyance to get his way.
Liberace, it's time to go.
Oh, that ain't even called
Okay, well, walk him out. Go ahead, walk yourself. See, you know what I'm saying? There you go.
His jig was up, and he was pushed out of the store. Counter drama.
Can I help you?
Sell this ring.
Not real.
What?
Not a real stone, it's not real gold.
These two, seemingly nice women, came up to the jewelry counter and said they wanted to sell a ring.
Not real gold.
Well, I bought this from here.
He didn't buy that from you. You have the receipt?
No, I don't.
You won't let her tell her what she's trying to say because you're talking.
This was when they presented the story of, we bought it from here, so that means you sold us a fake.
Find that receipt and bring it in.
You're just a smart ass, ain't you?
We need something from up out of here. Bring some money out of here. Girl, my ass. Give her something.
Let me see you take something.
Okay, you going.
They're not taking
You going. You can go with us.
Y'all let me go. Y'all let me go. Have a good day.
Okay.
When they realized they were going to get kicked out, they tried to pull out an Uno reverse card. They grabbed Big Joe and took him out of the store with them. They were well on their way taking him home. The bag.
Excuse me. Hi. She's telling me this is expired. That's my purse right there. That one right there.
How do you know that's your purse?
Because I know my purse.
Never in pawn. And it does not belong to that lady.
This woman came storming into the store and told Ashley that she went to get her bag from pawn.
If you don't give me the purse, I'm going to climb over the counter and get it myself. Would you mind getting over there and get my purse for me?
Because that purse has been out there.
Let me see it. Let me look at it.
I'm not
First of all, don't talk to me like I'm an idiot. Okay.
The woman threatened that if she wasn't handed the purse right that second, she was going to jump the counter.
Get your hands off me.
Have a nice day. Let's go.
Wait.
Go.
You.
She was dragged out of the store, and while she did try to fight back, it was no good. The disappointment.
What are you guys doing? How can I help you? They sold us this piece of shit. Did I test it out for you before you took it out? No, you didn't. If I did, I would have tested it out. You would have been satisfied, and then you would.
These guys came in clearly disappointed with their item.
I got my guys at my job right now. They're
Right,
shit.
so you're losing money.
It's bull. I need the money back for this, and I need the
Bring
money
me
for
the
the gas.
receipt. Why are we getting kicked out?
You'll get the bill. Don't worry.